Everyone, you use baby wipes, you use wipes on your children's mouths, hands and other sensitive areas of the body, and do you check the ingredients that are safe in the baby wipes? So in this video, I will discuss some of the ingredients in baby wipes and their potential effects, and I will also show you some suggestions for some safe baby wipes. So I use a great app called the Chemical Maze, and I also use the Environmental Working Group website when I'm looking at ingredients in products. These sites have become a game changer for me because I can look up the ingredients quickly to see if they are safe or not. Over the years, I have presented a number of workshops called Toxins in Products, and I get participants to examine the ingredients found in common personal care products found in their home. Let's take a look at the ingredients in baby wipes. The first product looks like a great product from the front. Here you can see it has no parabens, it's alcohol-free, soap-free, and dermatologically tested. However, when I read the ingredients on the back of the product, which is down here, I find out that it has 5 out of 10 toxic ingredients. This is the second lot of baby wipes that I found, and as you can see, fragrance-free, which is a great start, but it has 8 out of 10 toxic ingredients. And here are some antibacterial wipes, and they have 5 toxic ingredients and 4 safe ingredients. Let's take a brief look at the 2 toxic ingredients found in these baby wipes. Firstly, parabens, which include butylparaben, methylparaben, isobutylparaben, to name a few. Parabens are linked to eczema and endocrine disruption. So in other words, they can affect the hormones and they have a harmful effect on the environment and wildlife. They can even stimulate the growth of fat cells, contributing to the obesity epidemic. So have you ever tried to lose weight unsuccessfully? Have you gone and checked your personal care products to make sure they don't contain any parabens? Since parabens tend to also mimic female hormones, they especially tend to affect the male's reproductive system and are linked to reduced sperm count and decreased testosterone levels. So this second product, the baby wipes, contain 5 parabens. 5. And I find it really incredible that we as parents are wiping these wipes on babies' most sensitive areas where hormones are and wondering, is it having an effect, especially on our boys, but also on our girls. So the second ingredient I'm going to talk about is fragrance, perfume or aroma. This is a word used as a loophole for the company being able to use whichever ingredients they wish and not having to ever disclose it as long as the ingredients are under 5%. So most fragrances are made from petroleum and are linked to cancer, birth defects and damage to the lungs, brain and nerves. A great book on this ingredient called Fragrance is called The Case Against Fragrance by Kate Grenville. Well worth a read. Can you believe that we are wiping these ingredients on our baby's most delicate areas? These ingredients get absorbed straight into the bloodstream. Ingredients linked to disrupting the hormones and birth defects, really? So some suggestions include face washes and rewashing them. You can also make your own baby wipes. One thing you could use too is our Seedlings baby wipes. These have no toxic ingredients and are safe for the most sensitive areas. And if you want some wipes for cleaning trolleys, park benches, cleaning areas when you're on the go, then the Thieves wipes are for you. These wipes are not for using on infants and they're not for use in sensitive areas of the body. I encourage you to get the Chemical Maze app and check the ingredients in your wipes and any other personal care products found in your home. See ya!